This is Hannah. Today I'm going to very hilarious book. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Shh. Did you see it? No? Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Shh. Did you see it? What do you see on the cover page? Nothing? One more time. Shh. 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 Ta-da! This one. Alright, what do you see on the cover? Grrr. Grrr. Oh, we can see the grizzly bears. And look. Yeah, that's right. This is Daddy. This is my big baby, right? And the baby is holding something on his hand. What is that? Oh, he's screaming like this. Ooh, underwear? 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 Alright, I'm gonna read the title. Underwear. Underwear! 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 This one might be an underwear book. Everybody, have you ever seen underwear book before? No, I never! Wow, I think this one is a super funny book, I think. Alright, let's read. Underwear? Oh. Underwear. Oh, look. There's a baby bear. Is it taking a bath? I like taking a bath with the rubber duck. Quack, quack. Underwear. Oh, he's finished. Oh my goodness. Oh, what a shame. Bear? Bear. Oh. Oh no. Please put something. Stop right there. You should be wearing underwear. Underwear. Na 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 na. Stop right there. You should be wearing underwear. Na 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 na. Stop, 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 stop. Stop right there. You should be wearing underwear. Na 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 na. The baby bear doesn't listen to Daddy. Under. Where? Underwear. 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 Over there. Under. Where? Over. Where? On the chair. Over here. On the chair. Aha! Up the stair? Right there, on the chair, there is a pair of the underwear. White pair, tie pair. Daddy, but look, big tear. But here's a spare. That is a new one. All right. But, where to wear this underwear? Down here? Up here? Over there? Everywhere! Shoo, shoo, shoo! Ba-bum. 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 Underwear makes look over here. Awesome hair. Oh, it's very hilarious. I want to pick this hairstyle. I want to make my hair with the underwear like this. What about your pig? Bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, ba, bum. Hey, look there. It's a super bear. Goro. And a Google wearing a koala bear. And look over here. This is a red word coming out. What the heck's going on there? All right, everybody, ready? Bum 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 bum. Oh, no time to spare. Quick, I gotta hide somewhere. Bum 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 bum. Light, go out, click. Bum 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 bum. I will dive in there. Bum 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 bum. Ba-da-ba. Ba-da-ba. Beware, big bear. Here comes. Ba-da-ba. Ba-da-ba. Ba-da. A scare! And that is a big surprise. It's not a scare at all. No fair. What is it? This is underwear. Underwear is a whole wear. Underwear is hanging on. Is it daddy's ear? Go and grab a dry new pair. Okay, I got it. Underwear? What do you think? Is this underwear? No, it's a sock. Don't make me glare. Anyway, he puts on underwear and pajamas. Oh, he's about to read books with daddy. And he's ready for bed. All right, let's read in the chair. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, blah, blah, blah. Tired there? Yawning there? Well, time for bed, I do declare. Oh, look over here, everybody. He is falling us. Oh, he is sleeping. Sleep tight, sweet bear, snugly tucked and under there. Under there? Under there. This one is a similar like... Oh, what was that? It's too similar. Sounds like... Underwear? 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 No way! He's waking up! Underwear?